Hello quilt friends, welcome back to week 2 of the Laurel Wreath Sew Along. This week you're going to be selecting 4 aqua prints that we're going to be using to make some flower blocks. You're going to start by cutting those prints into squares, and then we're going to be adding a series of folded corners. This one with the background color, and then on the opposite corner is the gold. That will become the center of your flower, and you can see I'm sewing that together here. And then you might want to pay attention to one of the prints is directional. So I did get those all going in the right direction. And then let's talk a little bit about the pressing here, specifically with the gold. You can see here that I've pressed this one toward the gold, this seam toward the aqua, and then you're going to make 2 of them like that for each block. And then from the back side here, you can see how when you put that block together like this, that those seams will all nest. Then you're going to be, that's going to proof to 7.5 inches. Then you're going to make 2 blocks each with those 4 prints.